My name is Mwale Daltso. So today's lesson will be on the introduction to computers. Firstly, I'll start by defining what a computer is. A computer is an electronic device that uses programs to store, retrieve, and process information. So basically, a computer has two main parts. There's the hardware and the software. So the hardware is the physical part of the computer that you can see with your eyes and you can touch. So an example of a hardware is the monitor. So a monitor is like a screen. It shows the information that one is typing on the keyboard, because the keyboard also is one of the hardware devices. And then we have a mouse. A mouse is used to click. You can click on the mouse to point at where the information that you want to see on the monitor, where it is supposed to be located. And then we also have software. Software is a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do. An example of software is an operating system. An operating system is programs to help the computer, the hardware, to run properly so that things can function accordingly. So an example, like I said, is an operating system. Then we have Google Chrome as well. It is also an example of the software of the computer.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we'll continue our lesson where Madam Mwale ended. So looking at various examples of hardware and software, we'll continue with the functions of each computer hardware. So to start with, I'll start with a monitor. So a monitor is like a TV screen, but it's not exactly as a TV. So the main function of a monitor is just display the information which is in the computer. So you can use the monitor to display or to view the information which is in the computer. We have another example, which is a keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. So you can use a keyboard to type characters into your computer. So for example, if you are typing your assignment, you can use your keyboard to input these characters into your computers. It is very impossible to input characters minus your keyboard. So you can say the keyboard is a very important device. We also have another hardware device, which is a mouse. So a mouse, you can say, is just a pointing device. You can use your mouse to point or to click the document which you want to open. So these are some of the functions of computer hardware. Thank you.
Or programs to store, process, and retrieve information.
Yeah, so we also said that a computer is made up of two parts, which is the software part and the hardware. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we meet next time for this exciting lesson, we'll talk about the function of a computer software.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.